Automotive. WAGO products have been used in all production areas of the automotive manufacturing sector. Screwless connection technology ensures here maximum plant availability. For this reason, WAGO is on the list of approved suppliers of all well-known car manufacturers. WAGO controllers and remote I/Os provide support in energy data acquisition and in saving energy in production plants. They control production processes and monitor sensors and actuators. WAGO Epsitron power supplies and electronic circuit breakers protect sections of your system and ensure maximum reliability for continuous vehicle production. Discover now the WAGO expertise in the automotive sector.